Okay, so what we have here is a 2004 BMW 545i, and we are getting a no start, little bit of a crank symptom with a bunch of error codes. So let's go. We changed this orange relay right there, this one, and it did nothing. But I did wiggle this main computer a little bit ago, a few weeks ago, and it did start, but then again it's not starting. So we'll go to the back and make sure that the battery is good. And on the battery, you see we're getting 12.22. So battery is fine. And then this is what happens when we try to start the car. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. So when we do that, we get these codes.
Sure if it's in on the heads up.
And nothing. Froze?
Yep.
Okay. So come over here. So I have this Bluetooth OBD2 reader, and when I plug it in, as you can see, it lights up, and the key is all the way on. And then I will go to my torque app. Says not connected to ECU. So I'm getting nothing. I can't even read a code, and I did test this in another car and it does work fine. We did test the SMG pump on the bottom of the car, and we took it out and it was working, so that's not the problem. And then this is what it does. I'm getting nothing.